Tired of your Aisensy marketing visuals feeling like a chaotic digital garage sale? Let's whip that media library into shape. First, log into your Aisensy account and locate the media library option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click it. That's where the magic happens. You'll now find yourself inside the media library. If it's empty, don't worry. Look for the big, friendly upload button. It's usually right in the center or top corner. Clicking that button will open your computer's file explorer. Simply navigate to the folder where your images are stored. You can select single files or even multiple ones. Highlight the images you want to upload, then click Open or whatever your operating system uses to confirm your selection. Aisensy will now start uploading your images. You'll typically see a progress bar indicating the upload status for each file. The speed will depend on your internet connection and the file sizes. Once the upload is complete, your images will appear as thumbnails within the media library. You can now easily access and use them in your Aisensy marketing campaigns and customer communications. Hovering over each image will often reveal options to edit the image details, copy the image link, or even delete it if needed. This helps you manage and organize your assets effectively. And there you have it, a perfectly organized Aisensy media library, ready to fuel your amazing marketing efforts. Now go forth and create.